start.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Raspberry Pi practical series. Now the next part over here is to burn operating system for our Raspberry Pi, and for the same we will require the SD card where all the files and the operating system for the Raspberry Pi will be stored. Now before putting the operating system in the card, it is important that you format your SD card. So for the same we will require SD card formatter software. Now we will see how we are going to do that. The very first thing is that you insert this card in the card reader. I am having an SD card reader. Do remember that you have the SD card of 8 GB configuration or more. The SD card has been inserted in the card reader. Now the next step is to format this SD card with the SD card formatter software. Okay, so we require SD card formatter software which can be downloaded free of cost from Google. SD card formatter. Now from here www.sdcard.org you can download the software. Now I have already downloaded the software. Now we are going to first install the SD card formatter software. Next, you accept the license agreement. Next, and install. It is just a matter of few seconds that it will get installed on our machine. The setup has been installed on our machine. Now, okay, as you can see, the setup has been installed and it is launched on our system. This is the SD card formatter. Now, as soon as I insert my SD card reader, you can see a red light getting blinked. Now there is already some data into this card which we have to format before installing the operating system to it. So what we are going to do is we are going to click on format. See, e-recovery is the name of my card. As soon as we click on this format, it will format all the previous files which were there into the SD card. Now this is the main output of our formatting practical. Formatting was successfully completed. Okay. Now the next step is, after formatting, go to the card and see the folder is completely empty. That means the formatting has been completed successfully. The next step is to have the operating system transferred into the card. For the same, we will be requiring the operating system, and for Raspberry Pi 3 I am going to use Noobs. Which is a variant specifically designed for Raspberry Pi. Now as you can see, I have extracted my Noobs. These are the different files. Now very important point over here is you just have to select all the file which is there inside the Noobs folder. You copy it and you straight away paste all those files in the card. Now very important point for you to remember over here is, whenever you download the operating system for Raspberry Pi, whether it is a Raspbian operating system or a Noobs operating system, see to it that when you extract the folder, as you can see, this is the Noobs folder. When you extract it, do not paste the Noobs folder. You have to go inside the Noobs. Whether it is Noobs, you go inside the Noobs. Whether it is Raspbian, you go inside the Raspbian folder. And whatever files are there, you copy all those files and then you paste those files directly into your SD card. As you can see, all the necessary files have been copied over here. So this was the very important part before we put this SD card into the Raspberry Pi. Thank you everyone.